Okay, good morning, students. So, uh, today we are going to start with chapter number 21, which is angel investors and venture capital funds. Now, first of all, let us discuss the meaning of angel investors. In 11th class, also, we had discussed angel investors are the persons who give money to the startups. Means whenever there is a company with high risk high return type of profile, okay, then many times banks or reputed financial institutes may not give funding because there is high risk. So in such a case many investors will come for the help of these budding entrepreneurs, and these persons are called angel investors. ओके, एंजल यानी कि फरिश्ते बनकर वो उनको हेल्प करने के लिए आए हैं, हैंस द नेम इज एंजल. सो let us go through the meaning of angel investors. So here you are able to see basically these are when wealthy individuals who have lots of money, okay, and they want to multiply their money. So these are affluent individuals who provide capital for the startup, and usually in exchange for ownership equity. Usually it is expected from the businessman that के businessmen should make these investors partners or part owners. Okay, so they buy some shares, and later on when let's say कि this startup is successful, they can sell the shares and earn huge money. Okay, we all have seen the movie Market. So in Market also, you know, Saif Ali Khan, okay, what he did. So a new company was formed, made popular, so share price went up and he sold the shares and earned a huge profit. So that example you can keep in mind. Okay, so these are the persons who provide money in return for ownership equity, or generally they accept equity shares. Now they provide capital for the startup and early stage companies which has high risk high return metrics. Okay. Now features of angel investors. Basically these people are very experienced, they want to take the risk, and they are willing to experiment. Okay, so these are willing to take risk for the new firm, and they enjoy its benefit later on. If they find that the idea is promising, then they can invest the money. The features of angel investors. The first is generally they are current or retired executives, because these executives have experience with them. Okay, so these are executives or the business owners or the high net worth individuals who have the knowledge and expertise. So two things are necessary. They need to have vitamin M for sure. It means they need to have lots of money. And other thing is said कि even if you have money, you cannot easily trust, because to become angel investor you also need to have business understanding. Okay, you may not exactly or technically know the business, but you should have basic idea about the company. Okay, so they have knowledge or expertise. Okay, and money is obviously necessary. They are willing to take high risk, they have very high risk appetite, because in return they expect high returns. Then they also provide advisory functions, they provide consultancy services, they take proactive part in the business. Okay, indirectly they will guide, they will advise the businessmen, and sometimes if they have industry experience, then they will work as a mentor. Means they will help that new company or new businessman to make industry connection. They will introduce them to various persons in the industry for the growth. main objective is to create great companies. Okay, so their fundamental is catch them young and watch them grow. Okay, जल्दी से कंपनी को क्या है, अच्छी कंपनी को सेलेक्ट कर लो एंड अचीव ग्रोथ एंड become more wealthy. Then they have desire to keep themselves acquainted with the current developments. Please note, angel investor doesn't mean that ke just give money and forget the money for few years. You need to actively look into the project, okay? And sometimes it is possible that ke project is not working, then rather than giving more money, try to recover your money. Sometimes they also let's say experience losses. So experience and continuous updating is required for angel investors. Okay, they have given one example, okay, about Tesla. Now it is managed by CEO Elon Musk. So Tesla is very famous. They are working on electric and driverless cars. So stages of business development funding. So basically there are 4 stages. Okay, now we can say कि in the first stage also we have 2 parts. The first is seed capital. Now seed capital basically is a very small amount. Before you, let's say, even intend to invest something, you will be willing to go through the feasibility studies. Means you need to know whether it is feasible, whether this idea is workable or not. तो थोड़ा सा अमाउंट से बिजनेस की फिजिबिलिटी टेस्ट करने के लिए जो दिया जाता है, इट इज़ सीड कैपिटल. इट्स अ स्मॉल अमाउंट. देन वी हैव स्टार्टअप कैपिटल. ये दोनों फर्स्ट स्टेज ही है. नाउ इन स्टार्टअप कैपिटल बेसिकली कोई प्रोडक्शन नहीं हुआ है, बट यू नो इनिशियल मार्केटिंग और इनिशियल प्रोडक्ट डेवलपमेंट के लिए, फॉर एग्जांपल लैंड ली, फैक्ट्री का शेड बना लिया, मशीन्स ले ली, ओके, इनिशियल मार्केटिंग कर ली, लेकिन अब तक प्रोडक्शन स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है, अब तक सेल स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. तो दिस इज़ कॉल्ड स्टार्टअप फंडिंग. फिजिबिलिटी रिपोर्ट ओके है, देन गो विद द इन्वेस्टमेंट, अरेंज फॉर, ऑर्गेनाइज फॉर द रिसोर्सेज, लेकिन अब तक स्टार्ट नहीं हुआ है. Then comes the second stage. In second stage actually working capital will be provided, and we know that working capital is the capital to see that we are able to run the business on a day to day basis. So for incurring day to day expenses, to pay salaries, to pay electricity bill, okay, to pay rent, so all these are working capital. So for working capital expenses money is given. So here actually production will start. Okay, so but still there is no clear profitability, because right now production is taking place and it takes time, okay, to convert your money blocked in raw material till you recover from the debtors. Then in third stage money is given for major expansion, okay, and company will plan for the sales growth. So after second stage gradually production will start and sales will start, okay, and gradually there will be, let's say, popularity in the market. If the product is good and idea is workable, then company will go for expansion mode. okay, एक बार क्या है कि पता चला कि भाई ये प्रोडक्ट काम कर रहा है एक्चुअली में, then they will plan for the expansion or growth. So here company is able to achieve break even. break even means जो इन्वेस्ट किए थे उतने पैसे रिकवर हो गए हैं बराबर, बट स्टिल कंपनी इज प्राइवेट, अभी तक वो प्राइवेट कंपनी ही है. एंड द फोर्थ स्टेज इज ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग. ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग इसका मतलब है कि अभी प्राइवेट कंपनी है, ओके, उसको कन्वर्ट करना है पब्लिक कंपनी में. सो इट इज़ ब्रिज फाइनेंसिंग, मीन्स कन्वर्जन फ्रॉम प्राइवेट टू पब्लिक. सो वी नो दैट कि टू कन्वर्ट प्राइवेट कंपनी इनटू अ पब्लिक कंपनी वी वेंट थ्रू वेरियस steps. Okay, if you want to issue the shares, so it's a cumbersome or lengthy process. So bridge financing is done to make the private company public. अब आप सोचोगे सर पब्लिक बनाने की क्या ज़रूरत है? अरे एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स को वो पूरे लाइफ टाइम तक चिपक कर नहीं बैठना है उसी बिजनेस में, उसका तो काम है बस बिजनेस को क्या है थोड़ी सी क्या है कैपिटल प्रोवाइड करो, उसको वर्केबल बनाओ एंड लोगों की नज़र तक लाओ, वो आइडिया अच्छी है तो। एंड एक बार लोगों की नज़र में वो बिजनेस आइडिया क्लिक हो गई तो पीपल विल बी विलिंग टू इन्वेस्ट इन द शेयर्स, तो ये शेयर प्रीमियम पर यानी ज़्यादा प्राइस पर बिकेगा। ओके और एंजल इन्वेस्टर के पास तो बहुत सारे शेयर्स है उसके, क्योंकि वो तो ओनरशिप स्टेक लेगा। ओके एंड व्हेन पब्लिक कंपनी वो कन्वर्ट होगी ओनली देन शेयर प्राइस विल इंक्रीज एंड एट दैट टाइम दिस पर्सन एंजल इन्वेस्टर्स ओके टाटा बाय बाय कहकर चले जाएंगे, अच्छे प्रॉफिट के साथ एग्जिट हो जाएंगे एंड फिर ऐसे नए स्टार्टअप को फंडिंग करेंगे। सो दिस इज देयर मेथड टू मल्टीप्लाई द मनी। देन वी हैव एक्विजिशंस एंड लिवरेज बायआउट फाइनेंसिंग। अच्छा एक्विजिशन ऑलरेडी वी नो मर्जर्स एंड एक्विजिशंस, किसी कंपनी को परचेज करना, ओके दैट इज एक्विजिशंस। नाउ लिवरेज बायआउट, ओके मीनिंग थोड़ा सा सिमिलर है। लीवरेज का मतलब ये है, प्लीज नोट, लीवरेज मीन्स टू बाय समथिंग विथ अदर्स मनी, विथ बोरोड मनी। लीवरेज का मतलब है कि यू आर बाइंग समथिंग विथ बोरोड मनी, खुद की पैसे से नहीं है, इट इज़ कॉल्ड लीवरेज। ओके सो लीवरेज बायआउट मीन्स आप किसी और से पैसे लेकर कोई कंपनी को खरीदोगे। सो लीवरेज मीन्स यूजिंग बोरोड मनी, क्यों? टू बाय आउट सम ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। सो एक है ट्रेडिशनल एक्विजिशंस, इसमें क्या क्या टाइप हो सकते हैं। ट्रेडिशनल एक्विजिशंस जनरली क्या होता है कि वी अज्यूम ओनरशिप एंड कंट्रोल ऑफ द अदर कंपनी। नाउ वी अज्यूम ओनरशिप, नाउ सपोज इफ यू हैव more than 50% share capital okay of a particular company, then basically indirectly you will become owner of that company। okay so यहाँ पर मार्केट के थ्रू you take ownership okay of that particular company। then मैं थर्ड वाला पहले एक्सप्लेन करता हूँ, गोइंग प्राइवेट। गोइंग प्राइवेट इज actually a reverse process। sometimes there is a public company barabar and public company is having huge money, but some persons, chairpersons or founders feel that कि now shareholders are putting more pressure और उनको उतना freedom नहीं मिल रहा है। ओके सो what they can do, अब उनको क्या है कि फिर से पब्लिक कंपनी बनानी है ताकि खुद का ज़्यादा चले, so that they can run the business as per their own willpower। so if they want freedom in decision making, then they might need to convert this public company which is already doing well into a private company। but there is one issue, if you want to convert from public to private, then all those persons who are your shareholders, it means public से जो भी पैसे लिए हैं वो लौटाने पड़ेंगे। अब इतने सारे पैसे शायद न भी हो, तो इन दैट केस व्हाट इज़ द पॉसिबिलिटी दैट कि दिस ओनर्स और चेयरपर्सन्स, दोज हु आर हैविंग मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द शेयर्स, विल अप्रोच सम angel investors and they will request कि give us the money so that I will pay to the public and I will make this company private again so that I can run the company properly and I get freedom in decision making। so this is possible। so going private also needs lots of money to pay back to all the existing shareholders from the public। तो उसके लिए जो फंडिंग होगी then it is called going private। okay so angel investors से पैसे लेकर हम पब्लिक को पे कर देंगे and we will convert this company into a private company। then we have leveraged buyouts। when I say leverage, leverage means using borrowed money, buyouts it means buy कर लो, पूरी की पूरी कंपनी को ही खरीद लो। तो when you are let's say purchasing the entire company, और let's say if I am not using the word company, इन दोनों में फ़र्क ये है कि if there is other form of organization like sole proprietor or partnership, okay सो इन दैट केस दे डोंट हैव एनी शेयर्स, शेयर्स है नहीं तो आप ओनरशिप शेयर्स कैसे ले सकते हो? तो इन सच केस प्रोप्राइटर और पार्टनरशिप्स को इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय देन you need to pay money to its owners. तो this is called leveraged buyouts. ऊपर हम शेयर्स ले रहे हैं टू बिकम ओनर और यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट ओनर्स जो है उनको हम पैसे दे रहे हैं. ओके, सो इट इज़ एप्लीकेबल फॉर अदर देन कंपनी. ओके, क्योंकि कंपनी में जो ओनरशिप होती है it is with many persons. Okay, if it is public company then you can go for traditional acquisition, or if there is a private company, let's say for example या proprietor है या partnership है जिसके कुछ ही main owners है उनको pay कर दो, then it is leveraged buyouts. Both are having bit similar meaning. So I hope you are able to understand this concept of angel investors. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care and all the best for your examinations. Okay, never lose focus from the studies and you will score good marks in this subject, I am sure.